Capricorn, hi, welcome to Gold Tarot. Today I'm gonna do a reading for you guys. Thank you so much, guys, for your liking, subscribing, and sharing. Thank you so much for your beautiful comments and your love on my channel. If you guys are new, please subscribe to my channel. It helps me a lot, and I'm wishing you so many blessings, happiness, abundance, prosperity, health, wealth, so many good vibes from me to you guys. So yeah, Capricorn, let's start your reading. Let's see what is coming for the Capricorn people from 24th through 30th of September 2020. So let's see what is coming for the Capricorns. Okay. What is coming for the Capricorns? Okay, so let's cut the deck for you guys. This is for the Capricorn people from 24th through 30th of September. Ooh. Eight of Swords. Okay, but I'm not feeling any negative energy from these Eight of Swords. I don't know why. Let's see. Nine of Wands, Justice, Seven of Pentacles, Fool. Okay, Emperor, right in the heart of your spread. This is the Aries card. Okay, Ace of Swords. Wow. Three of Pentacles, Six of Swords, Page of Pentacles. Okay, wow. Bottom of the deck we have the Two of Cups, which is a very beautiful energy. I hope you can see the cards. Yeah. Okay, so this is like Two of Cups, a very beautiful soul, a connection between you and your person, and I'm feeling that maybe a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio. Let's see. Okay, with the Eight of Swords, I'm feeling that someone is feeling stuck in their thoughts. Yeah, in their thoughts only, and they are like don't know what to do, how to come out of it, even though they have the capacity, they have the ability to come out of this stuckness, because this is not tough, but I'm feeling that their thoughts are making them stuck in this kind of situation where they are feeling maybe sad, stuck, unhealthy situation. This is not a healthy situation, this is very unhealthy, so they need to come out of it if they want freedom, okay, on their own. Okay, so Nine of Wands, Justice, Seven of Pentacles. I'm feeling that this person wants you to bring them out of this. Yeah, they want you to come to them so that you can bring them out of this stuckness. But I'm feeling that you are making healthy boundaries because you think this is the right thing. With this Justice card present here, they need to work on themselves on their own. This is not your duty, and until then you are building up something else for yourself. You're planting some new seeds for your work maybe, and yeah, you're making healthy boundaries. These are strict boundaries, okay, and no one can cross it without your permission. Wow. Okay, yeah, it's right. I can feel that, because this person you are not responsible for their actions. They are, okay, they need to come out of this stuckness. Okay, with the Fool card, Emperor, and the Ace of Swords, I'm feeling that this person is now realizing that they need to take a leap of faith if they want you, because you are a very established person and they really want to be like you. Okay, and for that reason they need to speak their truth. They need to take action, because Emperor is an action taker person. Okay, so yeah, they need to take some action. They need to take a leap of faith towards you. Three of Pentacles, Six of Swords, and Page of Pentacles. I'm feeling that yeah, after a long period of time of stuckness, they want to collaborate with you, but you are already building up your career, your work, your stuff. Yeah, you don't need anyone to build your to be in collaboration with. But yeah, definitely if this person is your soulmate, and if you have some kind of solid connection with this person, so definitely you will say yes to this person. But I'm feeling that you will not control as well, like you are going with the flow, and this person really don't like this. Like, why are you not concentrating on themselves? Even you are concentrating on yourself, so they don't like it. They like that attention from you. I'm feeling like this. They like that attention from you. They like that yeah, maybe this person like that codependence of you on them. I don't know. Yeah, that's toxicity. Okay, so this person really want to collaborate with you, and maybe they are coming for you with a small offer, but definitely it's solid. It's solid but small. Okay, let's see what is this Eight of Swords here for the Capricorn. Eight of Swords. Ten of Pentacles. Wow. Ten of Wands. Two tens here. King of Wands. Yeah, see, this person can take action, but they want you to take action for them, which is not right. Yeah, Four of Wands are here. We know that it's maybe a twin flame connection, whatever is this, but this person is very strong, has that important level of position in your life. Yeah, definitely. Maybe you have learned so many lessons because of this person, and now it's their turn. They need to learn that they can take action without you, that if they want to build a stable foundation and relationship with you, they need to take action. They need to put down that burden of their thoughts. They need to take action. They need to do the work. They need to do the work, because I'm feeling that you are the person only who was doing all the work for them, even, and for yourself as well. But now they need to do the work by themselves. What is the Justice here? Knight of Swords. Seven of Swords. Eight of Pentacles. Yeah. Okay, yeah. So now this person realizes that, yeah, they were not right with the Seven of Swords energy, and they want communication. They know that you know that they were not right, and they want to make the situation, they want to create that balance again within the situation, which was not balanced before already. Like, that was not balanced. Like, you were the only person who was doing the work, and they were not. So it is not balanced. So now they want to make the situation balance, and they want to put in the work. The Eight of Pentacles. They know that they have deceived you, maybe they have betrayed you. Whatever is their thinking, they want to speak it up with you with the Knight of Swords energy, because you are very focused on yourself, and they think that they want communication from you, and maybe they are initiating this communication with you. And with the Eight of Pentacles energy, definitely they want to work things out with you. They want to work things out. Okay, so what is this Fool here? What is this Fool here? If they really want to take a leap of faith, let's see, what is it? Chariot. Cancerian energy, which is your natural seventh. Transformation. Wow. Two of Pentacles. Wow. So by taking a leap of faith towards you, and by coming forward towards you swiftly, they want to change the situation between you and them, and they want to make it stable. They want to make it forever. Yeah, they're coming for you. They really want to come forward so that they can change the situation, and they just don't want to be in a confusion position. They just don't want to be confused anymore. They want to be a solid emperor like material, okay, person. Like, I'm feeling that they are before just like a material, like a robot, like eating, sleeping, talking, yes, no, and nothing emotions, nothing emotional, nothing about feelings. They were just like a robot before. But when you came to their life, they know that, wow, feelings are something else. Love is something beautiful with you. Yeah, so they know the truth about themselves, that yeah, there is some another part, very important part of myself, which is called heart. And now they are understanding their heart chakra, and definitely you are in their heart chakra, I'm feeling like this. And they're coming for you to change the situation, to change the outcome, because you are not in contact with them, so they want contact with you and they want communication with you. What is this eight? Emperor. Okay, what is this Emperor for the Capricorn? Because this person is now getting up mature. 10 of Cups. We have 3 tens here. Wow. King of Cups, King of Pentacles. Wow. And see, bottom of the deck we have the Wheel of Fortune. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. See, bottom of the deck. So universe is giving them that chance. Now they realize that yeah, I have feelings too. I know that I have stability, I have money, I need to work, I need to work for that stability. But yeah, I also need to focus on my feelings too, because they are the important part of my being. Yeah. So 10 of Cups, they are very happy to know that they have discovered this part of their life, like their self in this life. Wow. So we have 3 kings here, except for that King of Swords. Yeah, which is very brutal, which is very cold. So they were very cold before. Definitely they were very cold before, like a robot, I was telling you. But now they are having passion for you, they have passion for you, they have love for you, they want to take action for you to come forward. Definitely it's beautiful. It's a beautiful awakening for them and for you as well. Okay, what is this Ace of Swords? Patience, which is the Temperance of the tarot. Knight of Wands. Yeah, Wheel of Fortune. So universe is definitely bringing them towards you. With the star cards, this is the destined person of your life, and this person really have that now ability. They have that little younger spirit, that free spirit, that passionate, that intimate intimacy they want with you, if of course because of the love they have for you. But at the same time, they want to be showing you that, they want to show you that feelings, those feelings they have for you, passion and love and emotions as well. Maybe in the past they were just showing you that passion, or that had their fire within them for you, but maybe you want commitment, and this is the time for the commitment. Patience with the Wheel of Fortune, definitely it's beautiful destined person coming for you, and it's a destined incident actually for you. Okay, so what is this 3 of Pentacles here? 4 of Cups, Page of Swords, 3 of Swords. So yeah guys, 3 of Pentacles is clarified with the 4 of Cups, Page of Swords, and the 3 of Swords. This person knows that they had broken your heart, that they were rejected you in the past, and now they are watching you. They are maybe getting some kind of information, like where you are living right now, because maybe you are not in contact with this person. They want communication with you, they want to know where you live now, and that's why they want to come forward to you. Okay, so this person has a very rude awakening with this transformation card present here, and they want to change the outcome with you right now. Yes Capricorn. Okay, so this is I have for you. I hope this helped. If it is, you can give this video a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Also, you can share it with your friends and family if you find it helpful, and you can give me your suggestions in the comment section down below. So yeah guys, bye.